I'm Steve, and welcome to the AI Beginner Academy podcast. This is a special audiobook bonus series here on the podcast. Let's jump right back in and dive into Chapter 11. Chapter 11, The Future of AI. Hope, Hype, and a Dash of Humor. Will AI take over the world? Spoiler, no, it has better things to do. Let's start with the question that keeps popping up in movies, headlines, and dinner table debates. Is AI going to take over the world? Spoiler, no, it has better things to do. AI doesn't want your job, your car, or your Netflix password. It doesn't have wants or motives at all. It's not plotting against humanity. It's trying, and sometimes failing, to auto-complete your emails. The truth is, AI doesn't think, it processes. It doesn't want, it predicts. It's not sitting in a basement somewhere, forming a plan. It's running on data centers, serving up patterns based on prompts. The real challenge ahead isn't that AI will become too powerful. It's that we'll underestimate how powerful we can become when we use it wisely. Why the future is more utopian than dystopian. If you've noticed, a lot of the AI conversation tends to swing between two extremes. The robots will destroy us crowd, and the AI will solve everything crowd. Reality, as always, sits somewhere in the middle, but leaning toward the hopeful side. Throughout history, every major innovation, electricity, the internet, the printing press, came with panic first, progress second. And every time we adapted. AI will be no different. It will bring disruption, yes, but it will also bring abundance in creativity, productivity, and opportunity. We're heading into an era where ideas are easier to test, problems are faster to solve, and creativity is no longer limited by skill alone. That doesn't sound like dystopia to me. It sounds like a chance to focus on what really matters. AI and abundance. What happens when creativity and productivity skyrocket? Here's something worth thinking about. What happens when AI automates most of the boring parts of life? When your emails write themselves, your groceries reorder automatically, and your workweek shrinks to 3 days instead of 5. It sounds great, but it also means we'll have to start answering a much deeper question. What do we actually want to do with our time? For a lot of us, that's going to be a big adjustment. We've built entire identities around being busy. We measure success by output, by how much we do, not how much we enjoy. But in a world where AI handles much of the doing, we'll need to rediscover what it means to be. We'll need to shift from being human doings back to human beings. And that might be one of the healthiest things that ever happens to us. We'll finally have time to focus on what really brings us joy, the things that make life feel like life. For some, that might mean music, writing, or painting. For others, gardening, traveling, volunteering, or just spending more time with family. Finding joy in a post-busy world. I've been thinking a lot about what happens when AI gives us back our time, maybe too much time. What will we do with it? Personally, I already got a taste of it. Remember my guitar story? The one where my playing cleared rooms faster than a fire alarm? Well, with AI helping automate much of my daily technical work, scripting, documentation, even brainstorming, I've had more time to play, practice, and actually learn properly. And to my surprise, it's one of the most satisfying parts of my day. I'm still not great, let's be honest. People probably still won't request Freebird, but I've improved, and more importantly, I've learned to enjoy the process instead of rushing through it. That's the gift AI offers us. Time to rediscover what we love. Whether that's playing music, hopefully better than me, tending a garden, or finally writing that novel you've been talking about for 10 years. AI is going to make it possible. But it will also challenge us. Because once we have more free time, we'll have to fill it with something that actually fulfills us. That's where happiness comes in. Not from working less, but from doing more of what makes us feel alive. A peek into what's coming in the next few years and decades. So, what does the near future look like? Over the next few years, we'll likely see AI become even more natural. Not just something we type to, but something we talk to, collaborate with, and integrate seamlessly into daily life. Work, AI will handle routine tasks automatically, allowing teams to focus on strategy, relationships, and creativity. Education. Personalized learning will become the norm. Every student will have their own digital tutor. Healthcare. AI will help detect diseases earlier, analyze treatment outcomes, and free doctors to spend more time with patients. Creativity. Anyone will be able to bring an idea to life, whether that's a film, song, business, or book, with the help of AI tools that make creation effortless. Home life. Everything from your thermostat to your grocery list will quietly take care of itself, anticipating what you need before you do. And beyond that, we may see an economy where time, not labor, becomes the most valuable resource. That's both exciting and daunting, but it's also deeply human, because at our core, we're not built just to work. We're built to create, connect, and contribute. Why optimism is the smartest outlook of all. I'm an optimist by nature, and I think optimism is the only sane way to approach the future of AI. That doesn't mean ignoring the risks. It means believing that we can meet them with wisdom and creativity. It means trusting that we'll adapt, as we always have, and come out stronger on the other side. The better we prepare, mentally, emotionally, and socially, the happier we'll be in this new world. The real challenge won't be keeping up with AI. It'll be keeping up with ourselves. Learning to slow down, rediscover purpose, and fill our time with the things that truly matter. And if we do that, if we lean into curiosity, creativity, and community, then the future looks less like a sci-fi movie and more like something deeply hopeful. A world where technology gives us the space to become more human, not less. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I hope you're enjoying the book so far. If you're looking for a simple, structured place to begin applying what you're learning, I've created a free 30-day AI roadmap. It walks you step by step through building real confidence with AI without overwhelm. You can find it at aibeginner.net/start. And if you're looking for simple, friendly ways to learn AI at your own pace, head over to aibeginner.net. It's great for individuals. And we also offer bulk pricing and light customization if you're exploring AI training for a team or business. I appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next chapter.